The perfect fit. 13-inch wiper blade fits snugly and intimately onto your windshield for the best contact protection. Receive edge-to-edge wiping performance that is often difficult for other traditional wipers. Easy installation. Trico Driver Windshield Wiper is intended to be a quick DIY in minutes, so you spend less time installing, and more time on the road with easy-to-see behind capability. Instructions included. Sense of safety. Trico windshield wiper blade for car powerfully wipes away droplets and moisture for clear visibility during harsh weather conditions. Experience an elevated sense of safety during driving with our rain-resistant wipers. Vehicle fit. 23-inch wiper blade fits Honda CR-V 2016 to 2012, Jeep Wrangler 2006 to 1997, Chevrolet Tahoe 2020 to 2015, Ford Explorer 2010 to 2006, Chevrolet Suburban 2020 to 1963, Jeep Cherokee 2001 to 1997. Vehicle fit. Trico Ohm Quality Wiper fits GMC Yukon 2020 to 2015, Hyundai Santa Fe 2006 to 2001, GMC Yukon XL 2020 to 2015, Cadillac Escalade 2020 to 2015, Ford Freestyle 2007 to 2005. Please also check vehicle compatibility above for your car. Trico Exact Fit wiper blades are original equipment replacement blades that make it easy to restore your vehicle to original factory quality. We have taken the extra step of pre-assembling the wiper blade so that the blade's receptor matches the specific arm style of the vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. Great fitment and good quality wipers. Not much 13 wipers available in store.